Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy but delicious breakfast casserole. Here are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe, and as always, the recipe is written in the description box down below. First, we're going to start out with one 26-ounce package of thawed hash browns. You're going to layer this in a cookie sheet, and then you're going to drizzle some olive oil on top, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure all the hash browns are evenly coated with the olive oil, and then you're going to make sure that they're in a single layer on the cookie sheet. The reason why I do this is because I don't like soggy, watered down hash browns on the bottom of the casserole. So this makes them nice and dry and cooked thoroughly through. Now you're going to place this in a 400-degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to cook one 1-pound package of sausage. When your sausage is cooked thoroughly, we're going to drain the sausage and set it aside. Now we're going to crack 8 eggs. Whisk the eggs thoroughly, and then we're going to add 1 1/3 cups of milk. Next, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix this together really well. Next, you're going to grease a 9 by 13-inch pan. We're going to take our hash browns that we've cooked and put them in the bottom of the pan. Next, we're going to add 2 cups of mild cheddar cheese. Next, you're going to add your cooked sausage. Then you're going to pour your egg mixture over the top of the whole casserole. Then top the casserole with your remaining cheese. Then place this in a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes until your eggs are cooked all the way through. Look at that ooey, gooey, cheesy deliciousness. This is filled with hearty potatoes and eggs and sausage and cheese, and it is a crowd pleaser. I like to sprinkle some green onions on the top of mine. I like the flavor that it gives to it, but this is optional. You don't have to do this. The great thing is you can put this casserole together the night before and then just pop it in the oven in the morning, and you'll have this ooey gooey delicious casserole in the morning. Look at that. Oh, it is so, so yummy. Let me know if you make this down in the comments down below, and thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.